Hey guys, Jacob here. Today, we're going over the Zodiac Ranger. This thing is an above ground pool cleaner. Pretty as basic as you can get for a pool cleaner. So all you people that have the little doughboys and stuff like that, that kind of just your above ground, 6 foot round pools, this is a perfect cleaner for that. So let's dive right in. This is it. This is your bad boy. This is your cleaner. So they were even nice enough on this one to say top. So top faces the cleaner. So then you install it yourself. You pop that bad boy on there. Let's see if I can do it real quick for you. Probably not, but we'll see. Kind of stretches over the foot pad. So there's your cleaner. So pretty much the way that works. Kind of agitates around the pool. Goes dut, 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 dut. Virtually very simple cleaner. Very easy to fix any broken parts on the inside of this thing. So you're gonna get a couple seasons out of it before you have to replace the disc or the foot pad right here. And then pretty much it's very simple. So they give you, in my personal opinion, a lot of hoses for most standard above ground pools. So make sure that you just keep them flat and in the box, and then when they do go bad, you can kind of swap them out whenever needed. They give you a nice little goodie bag here. You've got your 45-degree elbow. You've got your connector. You've got your valve cuff. And then you have your adapter piece that actually goes into like your smaller above ground skimmers. So it actually comes pre-installed for you. And then on the valve cuff here, let me take out that bag. You have your different suction adjustments. So I believe this one has 4. So you can really pull this thing and it adjusts higher and lower for different types of suction, because this is a bypass is all this is. So I believe the higher you go, the harder it is for the valve to open up, which means the higher you go, the harder the suction, the more suction that's going to go to the pool cleaner. The lower you go, the less suction, so probably the less it's going to move. Or if you just have a really aggressive pump, where you want a little bit of skimmer action plus cleaner action. So this is a really good little tool. Surprisingly, extremely expensive. So don't lose this, don't break it. I believe this thing actually costs us half of the entire box does. So again, Zodiac Ranger, it's a good little above ground pool cleaner. Pretty simple. You're looking for a cheap and expensive way to clean your pool for all your above ground pools out there. You'll set it, probably forget it for a couple seasons, and that's pretty much it. This is Jacob, ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.